Okay, so 9th standard students, as of now, what we are doing, we are just going through the videos of natural vegetation. The chapter was what? It was from the geography, chapter 3, climate, soil, natural vegetations and animals of Karnataka. We have done climate, we have done soil, we have done natural vegetation. But in natural vegetation, one thing is pending, that is the distribution of forest. We have done the types of natural vegetations. What are the types of natural vegetations? Okay, 4 types: evergreen forest, deciduous forest, mixed forest and grassland and shrubs. These 4 are over, but the last part is the distribution of forest. So what is the distribution of forest? Distribution of forest, the recorded forest area in Karnataka is 43.4 lakh square kilometer. It's very huge. Okay, 43.4 lakhs square kilometer. This forms, as it is this much huge area, this forms 22.6% of total geographical area of Karnataka. Means total geographical area of Karnataka 22.6%, means 1/4 area is covered, almost 1/4 area is covered with forest. Karnataka occupies this is a very good things. Okay, people don't have trees in their state, and our state Karnataka, it occupies the 7th place in forest resource in the country. 7th rank it is there for Karnataka. Okay, for the forest resources, the more you are having natural vegetations, natural resources, the more prosperous is your state. Uttara Kannada has the maximum forest area. So maximum forest area who is having? Uttara Kannada. And next to Uttara Kannada it is Shimoga and Chamarajanagar district. So this is concluding about your distribution of forest. Okay, and now the last topic of this chapter, it is the animal resource of Karnataka. Means we will now go for the animal resources of Karnataka. Okay, we will get to know about the animal creatures of Karnataka. Karnataka has a variety of animal resources. Why Karnataka is having a variety of natural animal resources? Because it is having a vast region of forest area. The more the forest you are having, the more wild animals you are having. Karnataka has a variety of animal resources. Reason is huge forest land. Huge forest means huge place for the animals to grow. The Sahyadris rank among the hotspot of the world. The Sahyadris means, I told you in the previous some chapters of geography that some part of your Karnataka region, in the physiography I told you that some part of Karnataka it is known as Sahyadri, and that Sahyadri rank among the hotspot of world for biodiversity. Biodiversity is something, means I am telling you, it is mainly the ecological balance. If you have natural resources with wild animals, means these living beings are more, the ecological balance is more, less of your pollution in the air. It is declared as it is a biodiversity area, it is declared as World Heritage Area. Okay, 25% of animal population, 25% of animal population and 10% of tiger population in the entire country are found in Karnataka. 25% of animal population of the country India and 10% of tiger population is found in Karnataka. Now, not only tiger, okay, what are the other types of animal, wild animals we can found here? Leopard, goat, bison, stag, deer, bear, okay, porcupine, okay, etc. are other species of wild animals found in Karnataka state. Now, variety of snakes. Karnataka is having lots of snakes also. Okay, so variety of snakes and colorful birds. Now winter is coming. Okay, if you go for any biological park or national park throughout Karnataka, you will be able to see lots of and different types of your colorful birds. Okay. The Malnad region on the central part of the Western Ghat has natural biodiversity heritage. Okay, because of a rich variety of animal resources. So in the Western Ghat, which is also known as the Malnad region, that is having a natural biodiversity heritage area because of the rich variety of animal resources. Rich variety means different types of animals which are very rare. Okay, those are present in the Western Ghat Malnad region. Then it is important forest areas of Karnataka having wildlife. Now again we are going to know about which are the place where these wildlife areas are very famous. Uttara Kannada and Belagavi from coastal region. From coastal region it is Uttara Kannada and Belagavi. Okay. Then Baba Budangiri range, BR Hills, Gopal Swami Hills from Sahyadri's Malnad range and Southern Maidan range. Okay, these are the names where wildlife are seen very obviously. Okay, then Ranebenur is the main animal sanctuary in Northern Maidan. In Northern Maidan, a place is there which is named as Ranebenur. That is the main animal sanctuary in Northern Maidan. Karnataka has, now this is very important, you should, other things if you don't know, okay, you can memorize, but this thing with a proud you should know it, that Karnataka has 5 national park, 4 bird sanctuary and about 17 wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, sanctuaries are there, not zoo. Zoo is the place where the animals are kept in a jail type. But these are sanctuaries where they are freedom, they are having the freedom, they are open in the environment. Now the thing is 5 tiger projects of Karnataka. 5 tiger projects of Karnataka. Okay, not only Karnataka, throughout the India there are some tiger projects, and in the description what I told, 10% of the tigers of the country is present in the state of Karnataka. So what are these tiger project? Means the place where it is. Bandipur. Okay, Bandipur, I think you know, it's a huge place, huge jungle place. Okay, forest area where you can see several species of wild animals, and even that is the place where you can has abundance of your sandalwood. Okay, so first one is the Bandipur, second is the Bhadra, third one is Nagarahole, then the fourth one is Dandeli, and the last one is Ansi and Biligiri, Rangana, Belta. Okay, these are the, see, these questions several times came in the exam. Okay, that which are the 5, name 3 tiger project of Karnataka. If you can write Bandipur, then your Bhadra and Nagarahole. Okay, only these 3 names you put. These are the 3. This one tiger project of Karnataka. 3 marks. It is there in your pocket. So these are the 5 tiger projects of Karnataka state. Now the last thing, the famous bird sanctuary of Karnataka is Ranganatittu. It's a place where the famous bird sanctuary. Okay, so out of this you should understand this one, that Ranebenur is the main animal sanctuary in Northern Maidan. And then Karnataka has 5 national parks, 4 bird sanctuaries and about 17 wildlife sanctuaries, and then the 5 tiger project, and the famous bird sanctuary of Karnataka is Rangana till 2. Okay, so with this your chapter is finished, and a very happy Deepavali to all of you. Stay well, enjoy. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.